Hey there guys, this is Zack from SJP, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of the first ROMs for your brand new Galaxy Note 3. Let's see if this should be your next daily driver. So as you probably noticed, the LiDroid ROM is still complete TouchWiz with a lot of cool enhancements. This ROM is based on the latest stock firmware, Android 4.3, officially from Google, and it is deodexed, rooted. It does have BusyBox installed. It is zip-aligned, and another cool feature is that all the languages are automatically enabled. So if you want to use this on your international Note 3 and you don't speak English, you could definitely download this ROM and get some other languages on there. So as I said, this ROM does come with a lot of features. There's three main apps. The first one is LiDroid File. So if we open that up, it's just a simple file explorer that they included, kind of like what CyanogenMod does. So pretty cool. You could definitely use it as your main file explorer. And next we have LiDroid Settings. So this is where we get a lot of customizable options. At the top, we do get some options to change the status bar color and transparency. So if you want to make it all black, you can, and if you want to make it completely transparent, you can also do that, which I prefer having it that way. Next, we have toggle widget type. So that's a pretty cool feature. Basically, it allows you to choose between LiDroid or official toggles. So these are the LiDroid toggles. They give you some more options, and it looks a little bit better, and you could obviously theme it to different colors. And if we go back, we also do have the choice to get the official toggles, and it will throw back the green toggles. And best thing about this is that you don't even need to reboot your device. It does it all very quickly, and I found that pretty interesting that they included that awesome feature. So next, we have hide on change. Basically, this is when you click a toggle, it will obviously close your notification area. Next, we do get widget buttons and widget order. So this is the widget buttons. You get a lot of options to enable, up to 24. And we also can choose the order that we want these widgets in. As we scroll down a little more, this is kind of where we get into some of the stuff that's not going to be as useful. You could basically enable this, and it will give you different stuff like memory, cleaner widget in your notification area right there. And also if you want to do things like enable power button hold, when you hold it, it'll be like you're holding a power button and it'll open up that menu. I tend to keep that stuff off as it seems to crowd up your notification area. Another big thing about this ROM is that it does have theme support. So that's really cool. Right now there's 4 themes. I have 3 themes installed right now. You could obviously click on the little button at top and it will take you to their website. Or you could download it straight from the thread, which I will include down below for the ROM. So here's I'll show you a couple of themes. Of course, you don't need to reboot it again, which I also, again, really liked. So if we go home, this is the first theme. This is probably my favorite one. It kind of puts a circle around everything and gives you a blue theme around the device. So as you can see, it themes everything. Phone, everything is themed. So I found that pretty cool that it's almost like using a CyanogenMod theme. So last but not least, you do get all the apps in multi-window and pen manager. As you can see, I have support for all the apps, and I could throw any apps I want in there, which this enhances the multi-window feature a lot more than if you just had to use the limited choice. Of course, the S Pen is still fully functional with all the features, so if you're worried about it breaking your S Pen, you definitely don't have to worry about that. All the features you're used to are still working great. Of course, it's still a TouchWiz ROM, so you shouldn't have any problems there. Also, in Pen Window Manager, as I said, you can enable all apps now. It will show up as only 3 in the beginning, but there is an application in the app drawer that will allow you to add the rest of your apps that you want. Guys, this was a quick video, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is one of my favorite ROMs, and definitely try it out.